Hey guys, Buster John Games here, and welcome to Vlogging in Nature! Yes, we are at my nanny and grandpa's house, and they live in like the bush, and so this is
fun.
So now we're going to do a little thing called Vlogging in Nature!
We're not really in nature because we have electronics.
Well, technically we are in nature.
We're in nature,
I'm just holding a phone and you're holding an iPad.
Yeah,
but
we're in nature, but we're not experiencing nature.
Yeah. So we're going to show you, all the viewers, and ourselves, wonders of nature, I guess. Look, it's a lake.
Don't drop the phone, for crap's sake.
I'm not going to drop the phone. Okay, so now we're going to go across this bridge.
Which has horses on the other side.
Yes, we're going to go see my nanny and grandpa's and horses, and they're not going to go up close to them because they'll freaking kick us across the globe.
No, the blacker one that Mom said, the horse.
What?
Kellen, okay.
There's the river again.
Yeah.
The other side. Okay.
Look, there's the horses.
Shut them down. I feel like I'm playing Pokemon Go now, right now. Like, no, that's the wrong music.
That's when you like
Sign up.
That's what I was doing.
Okay, and this is kind of a double thing, cause one, we're out in nature, and two, we're going to go over there. You may see it in the distance. It is the Fort of Badassery. Let's freaking do this. Okay, right now we're entering this horse field.
Don't worry, Kellen, it's fine. I'm standing behind a horse's ass for like an hour.
Okay, so right now we're just pretty much walking through these flowers.
Dude, I'm gonna look at the horses.
No. I'll just do a little spin around right now. Okay, so over there is the treehouse, and here we go. Wait, hold on. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so we're nearly there at the tree house, and okay, I'm in through a patch of tall grass, and this is not really good. Don't know why I did this, since it's freaking snake season. Now this is going to be like extreme explorer style crap. I don't know where Aston is. Do a little pan of the field. Comment in the comment section below if you saw him. I didn't. May have to split this into two parts, although I'll upload them at pretty much the same time. Right now I'm on a log. I'm about to jump down, but right there, that's it. Tree Fort of Badassery. Right now I'm on a tree that has fallen down. In the past times of pastness, but let's go. Maybe in part 2 I'll pull on like Bear Grylls accent. I don't even know. We're approaching the fort. And this is the fence separating horses. Well, the second fence separating horses from separating horses from the treehouse, or well, fort of Bassery. So, yep. Okay. And I'm gonna end off this video here. So this is Fort of Badassery. Just do a quick pan around. Yeah. So that's all I will be doing for this video. And we'll end